Evangelist.
Yes.
Please, can you tell me, or either tell the Africans, the benefit Christianity have brought to this land?
Okay, the benefits.
Yes.
Now, the benefit is plenty, but let me talk few. Buying of twins, na Christianity stop am. All those things where our ancestors they do, if they want build idol, then go carry like 10 virgins, 7 virgins, use them to build idol. All these things have stopped. There are so many abominations. There are so many idol where they're dangerous than all these idol where we see in Igbo land. Like this Alon Sokeja, where anytime where that Alon supply somebody, they go bring that person to that shrine. There are a lot of idol in Igbo land. They're dangerous than that idol, but missionally take them away from Igbo land, them destroy them. So there are a lot of benefits we gain. All this Osu, issue of Osu, Christianity end it. No matter so many people still believe on it, because that Osu, our ancestors, is the one who laid the foundation of that Osu, and we Christians is against it. But some traditionalists is in support of it. So there are a lot of evil things Christianity wiped out in Igbo land. But the problem is that so many people are still returning back to that evil. A lot of things, a lot of evil that Christianity pursue away from this Igbo land.